Hey guys, in this video I'm just going to show how to get the free games of every month if you get the free subscription, right? So just listen before you need. If you're having already existing PlayStation account and you already subscribed and cancelled, you cannot get it. If you want to have the new HITMAN free for this month February 2019, you need to have registered with you need to create a new account actually. So just create a new account. Already I have a created new account with my credit card details, so I'm just trying to log in now. Yes, now I signed in. Here you can see the subscription for this 14-day trial. Okay, so for that, first of all I need to go to this home page. I'm going to home page. So here, right, you can select this save. Sorry, you need to click the save and click the PlayStation Plus. Here you can see what are the free games for this month. So two beautiful games are free for this month. So I'm just gonna see this. For on Hitman the complete season, everything is free for this month. So I'm just going to do the subscriptions, free subscription. I'm going to download and I'm going to cancel my subscription as well. So before that, go to save PlayStation Plus. Now I need to click this join now. So this I'm going to choose this 14 days free trial. Okay, you need to have your debit card with your, then click the subscribe, confirm this purchase. See, before you just give the subscription, right, you need to study this trial gives you full access to PlayStation Plus for free for 14 days. When you subscribe to this service, fund balance automatically will be set to yes. At the end of the trial period, your subscription will begin and a recurring subscription fee of 9.99 will be deducted from your wallet every month. If your wallet does not have enough funds to cover the subscription renewal, the system will be bill your credit or debit card. You can cancel your subscription prior to the end of 14-day trial and you will not be charged. So be careful of this, okay? To cancel the subscription, to change your wallet settings, go to settings. Every information they are provided here. So I'm gonna give this confirm purchase. Okay, cool. It's a trial, right? I'm going to give continue shopping. I got the information on my mobile also that I subscribed. Okay, for that, if you want to just go to payment method, you can see your options here. See, I have already the payment method added, so that's why it's asking. So I'm going to cancel this once it's downloaded. So now I'm going to completely download this free games on my PS4. So I'm just going to completely download on this account. I think this is the account I have created new, entering into that. So see, now the PlayStation symbol has come once I subscribe. So I'm just going to click this. It's showing. I'm just entering into that. Now I'm going to download this Hitman. So where is that Hitman? We are now go to save PlayStation Plus. Here free games, right? So for I'm going to add to my cart, and yes, okay, continue shopping, and this one I'm going to add Hitman. So continue shopping. If any games you want, right, you can download this. Full game is there. Even Metal Gear Solid 4 is there. You can add whatever you want. So I just add it, right? So I'm going to cart now. In cart, right, I'm going to new total is, because I have a discount of 79. I have a discount of my subscription, right? This is free. See, this is, you can see the strike through of my For Honor. So just going to proceed to checkout. Super cool. Confirm purchase. So I have now 2 items. See, this is in now download list. I'm going to download list sections. So automatically now what I'm going to do is this game Hitman, right, I'm going to download to my system. Okay, Hitman Paris is there. So I'm just going to do first Hitman Paris download to your PS4. Directly you can download from here, and I can show this. See, add it to downloads. Now it will be started downloading now, so you can see this actually on notifications. So you're seeing now this HITMAN is downloading automatically. So it's 2.734. For this video, I'm just downloading the HITMAN Paris. You can download whatever the games you want free for this month, February 2019. Once it's downloaded, right, I'm going to cancel my subscriptions. So this is the subscriptions management. I need to click in this my profile and this subscription management. See this? And I'm going to turn off auto renew that. So automatically, see, you will be still be able to use your subscription until 21st 2000 February 2019. Are you ready to turn off auto renew? Yes, I'm going to say yes. Confirm. See, my subscription is expiring on 21/2/2008. You will not be charged. That's it. This is a simple way you can do that, and you can go and check on your account settings. There is another option, so you can see this. Click the subscriptions button and just ensuring this. If you want to renew it, you can renew that. That's it. You can see this purchase is free as well. So the product is purchased on the same day. Today's date is showing, and that's it. You are all set. So this is the way you can do that for free subscription. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. I'll be posting how to cancel that subscription as well in separate video. But anyway, this will be a good video. Thank you so much. Enjoy the HITMAN and for this one free games PS4 for this one. That's it. Thank you so much. Bye.